guys, back with another video. Today we're gonna be unboxing a vacuum cleaner. So let's go ahead and cut it open. This is a lot of tape. 31 pounds. Just another hint of what it might be. Okay. Okay. This is a huge box. Okay. Awesome packaging job. This vacuum came from Kyle Critch, whatever. One of those names. Okay. First hint at what it might possibly be. This lovely maroon Kirby cable. How about that? Okay. And then we got a red replacement, but still pretty red bag. And a older Kirby handle. For what model? Open this up. Lovely maroon, red. Lovely handle. Very shiny. And then in rather dirty mTOR. Don't mind that it's brown, but an mTOR. Here is the full bore head. Ooh, look at this. The bristles. I think, oh, that is a new old stock brush roll. And junk. And it's clean-ish. Could be better. Brand new bumper. Oh, another Kirby. Alright, I'm just trying to make sure I'm fine. Let's go ahead and open this. And if you guys haven't already guessed, this is a Kirby Classic 3. It's maroon in beautiful red color scheme. Oh. Yeah, let's go ahead and start the install. I will say this plastic is kind of scary feeling. It has a new height adjustment on it. All very stiff. Needs to be oiled good. I'll oil it. So that needs to be oiled. Okay. Yeah. thing is so nice and shiny. Okay, now let's take out the handle. And pop on this. Dude, this is such a nice looking bag. It does have an 80s style of fan in it. Ugh. Handle spring is that can't be good. Alright. Let's just not even mess with that. Okay. Let me put the bag together and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got the bag together. There's another issue. I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I'm a little stupid. I was wondering where this was, but it was attached to the cord. Because I was all like, oh my god, where is it? Anyways. Cord goes on the bottom and the bag goes on the top. That bag is just some sort of random replacement. We'll say that. Oh, forgot about that. Okay, I'm gonna take off this. Yeah, that. Let's kind of go through the cord. Seems like a replacement cord also because it's very short. Alright, let's go plug it in. Okay, she's plugged in. She's live. That's not bad. The bag smells a little musty. Okay, here it is. Had to take you guys off the stand. It's nice and shiny. I still need to take it apart because the handle spring is low-key terrifying. It runs beautifully though. Oh god, okay. Let's run it. I think after a little bit of running time, it'll smoothen out. I'll go in there and fix the lock mechanism, wash the bag. One day I'll get a bag that actually goes for it, but this doesn't even look that bad with that bag on it. All right, bye guys. See you in the next video.